Hey guys, okay, so here's the deal. It's time to give away the grill. You guys you sent me thousands of entries for to be in the drawing. So I randomly just spun through and went bink and spun through and went bink, and I picked like through the announcement to today, I picked 5 runner-ups. Okay, one of those 5 is going to win the Texas Trio from CHAR-GRILLER. We're gonna pick one. The other 4 people who don't win, I'm sending you one of my show aprons, and CHAR-GRILLER is sending you a shirt too. So we're gonna hook you up with some merchandise, all right? But here we go. So the 5 names, here they are on the screen. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, I've got them right here. They're numbered. Mitch, you on the phone with me?
I am.
All right. My buddy Mitch is on the phone.
I can't see the names, by the way.
No, he can't see the names. It's on my phone. He can't see that. We haven't got that technology where you can screen share your phone yet. So I need you just to pick 1 through 5.
What?
That's Mitch. That's totally Mitch. He's like, what? Did I really lose you in 2 seconds? I need you to pick one of these 5 names that are down below me on the screen. Just pick a number between 1 and 5, and that will dictate who wins the Texas Trio.
Number 2.
Number 2. 1, 2. The winner is Dave Blasky.
All right, Dave.
Yeah, Dave won it, dude. So I will let you know. I'll let you know when I contact Dave, okay?
Yeah, that sounds great.
All right, man. I'm sorry to bother you at work. I just wanted to give this
You're good, dude.
this grill away, and I will talk to you in a little bit.
Okay.
Take care. Bye. All right, guys, so we're going to contact Dave Blasky, and congratulations to him for winning the Texas Trio. The other 4, I've got your addresses, so we're going to send you the merchandise, and I thank you guys for entering. Now, here's the deal. We're going on, you're going to start seeing the Barbecue Wars tour. If nobody spotted me on the tour, I've already filmed all the episodes. If nobody spotted me on the tour, which I can't tell you if they did or not, then I'll be bringing another trio giveaway to the show. Okay? So there you go. So be watching every Saturday for the next 7 or 8 Saturdays. We did 8 restaurants. Every Saturday I'll show you the Barbecue Wars tour, kind of like a bonus video for the week. And then after that, you'll know if we're giving another one away or if somebody found me in one of the restaurants in Texas. All right, I hope you guys enjoy the CHAR-GRILLER Barbecue Wars tour giveaway. I hope you enjoy the series that we filmed. It starts this Saturday. I love you guys. I'll see you on the next episode.